If you were wondering how much these crypto influencers make by promoting crypto coins, this is the video for you because I just feel like spilling all of the tea and all of the secrets today. If you're new to this channel, my name is Aaron. I'm on a journey to 1 Bitcoin. I'm a brand new crypto investor, okay? I am not your financial advisor. This is never financial advice. I'm a cowboy who gives cowboy advice, so you can't sue for that. I consider myself having a little lizard brain, but gorilla arms and diamond hands exploring the wild west of cryptocurrency with a whole bunch of other cowboys. If you want to join us, hit the subscribe button down below, hit the notification bell for any updated content, and of course, give us a like button on this video if you want to help see this channel grow and if you are a generous person. Now, my lips are chapped because I just want to spill a whole bunch of secrets. In this video, I'm going to share with you 4 crypto YouTubers, their prices and what I really think about them, and then 4 crypto influencers on Twitter and their prices and what I kind of think about them too. At the end of the video, I'm going to share with you my own prices and what I give for those. And these are current prices, okay? So they could change definitely in the future, especially when this video comes out. But I don't care anymore. I mean, at first I wanted to play nice. I really don't care because they don't care. No one cares. It's Wild West of crypto. I'm out here turning into gunslinging Aaron right now. Okay, let's get into it. So the first person that we are going to talk about is the Tauren Hoffman. Okay, Tauren Hoffman is someone who covers a whole bunch of like new coins, pre-sale coins, meme coins. Rarely does he covers like Bitcoin or anything like that, but that's fine. I rarely do that too. You know, we have similar probably audiences, and I have to say the last time I checked on his stuff, he did pretty good. I mean, like he was doing some good stuff for the coins that would pay for him. He's got a very loyal fan base, 42,000 subscribers, and his grand total for selling his videos, promotion videos, is $2,000. Basically, someone has to pay him $2,000 for him to make a quick how-to buy and then their coin, the Shiba Inu. Remember, if you're a new crypto investor and you're watching him or any of these other guys, they're promoting, like these are promoting coins. Now, I haven't watched all of his videos, and so I can't really differentiate between like if he's promoting a video or not promoting a video. But just be clear, he does do it, and he's very good at it. So yeah, there you go. Tauren Hoffman, $2,000 per video if you have a crypto project that you want to promote with them. So yeah, they're just basically getting free advertisement here with me. The second one, Crypto Pablo. Now, he's got 128,000 subscribers, but seemingly he's only getting like 600 views on his videos in 5 days, 300 views in 2 days. How do you have 128,000 subscribers, but when a video's been out for 1 day, 2 days, it's only had like less than 300 views? It's kind of crazy. I think this is a botted account. I think he's obviously a real person because he's on his videos, but he definitely bought these subscribers, or these are bots or something. Something's way fishy here. And the reason why for that is like, I don't know, he just wants more subscribers. Subscribers don't mean views, so I mean it's crazy. And watch this drop. 1 week ago it was like 17K, 25K, 20K, boom, drop 800. It doesn't make sense. That makes absolutely no sense. Guess how much he's asking for? At least $3,000 per video. Look, if you're paying $3,000 per video for Crypto Pablo, you are paying for the illusion of 128,000 subscribers. However, you will not see that return worthwhile, in my opinion, if you don't see here. Am I throwing hate on this guy? No, I'm just calling it like it is. Look, you can't. If you're going to charge you could charge whatever you want, right? But as someone who is who's creating a coin or wants to promote a coin, to promote $3,000 in this channel would be crazy to me. Because he's got like 24,000 views, 17,000, and he'll show you these, right? It's easy. You could show, hey, look how many views I have. However, I went through the charts. A lot of them are red sticks if they release. I mean, a lot of them, like not just 1 or 2. And then it doesn't make sense that in 7 days he's got a video for 20,000 views multiple times, and then in 6 days he's got like 800 views. It's crazy. So I think this is a botted account. I think this is a scam account. Sorry, Crypto Pablo, but the numbers don't make sense to me. If you want to hop on an AMA with me, go right ahead. Gunslinging Aaron is out to play today. The next, crypto influencer on YouTube is Crypto Space. Okay, this is a botted account. This is a scam account if I ever saw one. Holy smokes. You'll see me go over these same guys in another video. I'll link it in the description or wherever. But I mean, like, this is terrible. But I mean, just if you just watch one of these videos, I mean, if you think about what promotion is, you'll quickly find out that this is doing a terrible job of talking about a coin and doing promotions for him. So he actually asked for the same price, $3,000 for a video, and look how many views he's got, or sorry, videos that people are paying for him, and he's getting paid three grand per video, which is, I mean, more power to you, man. Holy smokes! But that is for sure a botted account if I ever saw one, in my opinion. The fourth person we're talking about is a man named Satoshi Shan. Now, I actually don't mind Satoshi Shan. Don't know him. Never talked with him in my life. Watched 2 of his videos all the way through. Not my cup of tea, but I'm not someone's cup of tea either. I'm not everyone's cup of tea. But he seems good-natured. I can't tell if he's a good promoter or not, honestly. Sometimes it's a little low. His energy's low. Sometimes it's more insightful. Sometimes it's entertaining. So, in my opinion, I could go either way on him. He's asking for $3,000. He does it something different. He streams all of his videos, actually, so which is very interesting because he's got that live factor audience into it. 19,000 subscribers, so just above where I'm right now currently, and he's charging $3,000 for his videos. So there you go, there you have it. There's some YouTubers there. Let's move into some of the fun ones though. We're gonna go with Crypto Monkey. Okay, Crypto Monkey, he has let's see, 606,000 followers on Twitter. One of the most famous influencers, which is crazy. And how he promotes is he actually retweets people, and for that retweet he will get paid. So everything that you see him retweet will be a promotion. Watch here, retweet equals promo stonks. So he's upfront, he says it, so there's no shadiness about that. If you see a retweet, that is a promo. He's getting paid. How much is he getting paid? Well, I'll tell you. He's getting paid $2,000 in stable coins. Actually, sorry, no. He asked for $5,000 in stable coins, but you can negotiate with him. So my friend who's given me all this data, he wishes to remain anonymous for obvious reasons. $2,000 in stable coin he offered him, and $5,000 of his own token, which he is trying to sell. And he got, when you sell that own token, it made him very, very angry. So he gave him $2,000 and for an ambassadorship, but he hardly ever writes back, and he only writes back. So you could hire Crypto Monkey to be an ambassador for even more coins. So he got $2,000, and my friend only got 3 tweets from Crypto Monkey. I went back to look for them. I couldn't even find 2 of them. So he only got. So I mean, check this out. This is crazy. He's asking $2,000 to tweet about a crypto project. He did it 3 times. That to me is insane. I mean, that is some crazy stuff. So more power to you, my friend. Let me see if I could find something so this right here, Crypto Monkey retweeted Leos swap coin. This is probably about 2,000 to 5,000. What else? You make a lot of 2,000. This one right here, BTC has the same number of. Oh wait a minute. No, that's not really promoting a coin. Right here, this one right here, Baby Shiba Inu, $2,000 to $5,000 every single. It's insane. It's insane how much these guys are making. This is actually how much is asking. My friend actually paid these prices, so yeah, there you go. It's good research for us. The next person on our list, oh man, Zac Boychuk. Okay, apparently he's like an NFL player or something like that. He launched my own token, Zac Inu, proud ambassador of Grizz. I mean, if you recognize this name, You know that Grizz has been on my channel. Shiba Cowboy, not financial advice. Okay, he's not my Cowboys. There's a whole bunch of Cowboys out here. He's not one of my Cowboys. Where I'll tell you. So he's got 835,000 followers, and so he is asking for $1,500, $1,500 American dollars for 2 tweets. And if you want him to be an ambassador, it costs you $10,000, one-time payment, and pretty much he'll tweet whenever you ask him to tweet. That's pretty much it. So you pay him $10,000 and he'll just tweet, yeah, go cowboy coin or whatever it is, or you just pay him $15,000 for 2 tweets, or $1,500 for 2 tweets, which is an incredible amount. The next one, okay, so actually let's just go into it. So yeah, this one right here. If you missed mini Doge, this will be an opportunity. That's a freaking promotion right there. These are all promotions. I mean, all of these. Should I buy more SHIB? I mean, like, this is all promotion. 1,500, boom, 1,500, boom, boom. Dang, that's so much money. Jeez Louise. Here's the next one. Oh, Khloe, crypto queen. Obviously, this young lady is the pinnacle of insight in the crypto world. Okay, this is launch my own coin, Khloe coin, crypto queen, giving back, autism awareness, autism speaks. Obviously, she knows. You know, she's a Solidity developer. Obviously, this lady, you know, she knows exactly how crypto works. She knows technical analysis. You know, I'm getting a little salty. I don't need to be getting salty because honestly, I'm just a bit jealous that she's making so much money in crypto. Here's how much money she's making in crypto. She is making $5,000 in stable coins. And $5,000 in that own token of the person that's promoting. It's very dangerous when someone pays their like an influencer in their own token. It's very dangerous for both people, because the influencer could immediately turn around and sell, and that would drop the value of that token. I mean, it's just very dangerous. And it's 2 weeks off of social media. Actually, my friend said he has never. I mean, she's very hard to text back to him for 10 grand, and she's only tweeted only a handful of times, and 0 times has he gotten any buyers from her tweets. 0 times for $10,000. That is quite incredible. The last crypto influencer on Twitter will be the London Crypto that we're going over today. London Crypto has 83,000 followers. Tweets are my opinion and never financial advice. He could say that because he's getting paid for it, right? So no problem. We're just here to see how much he's getting paid, and he got paid 7 BNB for 5 days of tweets, and they only tweeted once. So my friend paid 7 BNB to London Crypto for 5 days worth of tweets, and they only tweeted about his coin one time. But I should let you know, every one of these coins, if you see one of these influencers promoting these coins, bro, they're all freaking botted. This is or not botted, paid. So I wouldn't trust it. Like, oh yeah, they know what they're talking about. They know what they're doing. They know the inside scoop. No, they're getting paid for it. You know what I'm saying? So just so you know about that, right? Before you invest, if you're a new investor like I am, just know that these guys are all getting paid. They're not just passing along free information to us. And these are just some of these influencers. There's a whole bunch of influencers out there. Now, as promised, I will let you know how much I'm getting paid. Okay, so for what I do, I join the Telegram group of every coin that I join. I say, hey, what's going on? I got some cooking up something in the kitchen with your developer. Okay, nice little promo there. In addition, I do the full AMA, 30 to 45 minutes. Sometimes, a lot of times it goes over. One time I went to an hour and 30 minutes of an interview, you know, with me and the developers, hashing it out. And you get to know the best advice, the best insights from the token, from the project, from the developer's mouth. And I am grilling them. If you watch any of the videos, I am freaking this is not a nice video, or they're not nice videos. We go to war in them. And then third, I take the audio from it, I master it, and then I pay for all of that myself, and then I put them on a podcast. and the Lizard Brain podcast. And so I do 3 things. Each one, I mean, this AMA costs or takes me at least an hour, and then there's extra cost in production and all of this stuff. All of this, current price, $1,200, only $1,200. I restrict myself to booking only 1 video a day, and I will be increasing my prices $100 every week until I'm making like Khloe crypto queen monies or something, you know what I mean? Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, thanks so much for watching. If you know of a project that you would like some honest promotion that I think is the best type of promotion on this personal AMA, send them my way, or if you are a dev, let me know. Anyway, guys, have a lizard brain, gorilla arms, diamond hands. Talk to you guys soon. Talk to you guys on the moon.